In this video we are going to display the graphical user interface which we are built for the second project. So this is the basically the class functions which we designed for our system so that it will perform the several tasks like load image, trace the image in GUI. After that it calculate its XY positions, and it will save in one text file, and after that it will do the forward kinematics by using those values. First it will calculate the delta values and do the forward kinematics, and use those forward kinematics values to get the tracing values is nothing but our end effector positions. So we want our robot to move according to the end effector values which are changing, so that we have to move our robot in this way that it will give the output, and so that we are doing the inverse kinematics and get some particular angles which we use as an input for our motors. So this is our GUI file. If I run this file, I will get this window which have the several aspects. First, this is for the create robot, this is for like paint in the GUI, this is for to connect the Arduino, this is for to disconnect the Arduino, this will ask for us like, do we have to paint in a GUI or do we have to paint in a paper. So this is basically my image. If I load my image this way, and the next task is to trace the image so the way we want. So basically I want to trace my image in this way so that it's easy to show, and I want my robot to draw exact the replica of that image in the GUI, so that I'll just create a robot here. So if I use the command that paint in a GUI, my robot will start to draw in the GUI the exact replica, which is the input as I given for the robot. So I just basically start to paint in a GUI. So we can check that our robot is exactly drawing and start to draw the replica of the trace image, that the input that this is as an input that he is considering. This trace image values is nothing but the XY values which we are going to give as end effector positions, and according to that end effector positions we want our robot to move its joint values, like the joint angles from which the robot is built. So finally, after all the procedure, we can check that our robot is draw the somewhat similar to the traces that what we have drawn in the load image, and the robot is trying to draw the exact same replica of that image and this is our final output for our robot. Thank you so much for watching.